Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video I'm gonna show different stone art, different rocks art and different more beautiful and stylish favorite decoration ideas. It is very unique and stylish and I hope you like it. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon viewers, and please share your friends and family members, and please don't forget my YouTube channel. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.